any two of the following rays to be considered for locating the image formed in a spherical mirror. First, a ray parallel to principal axis. A ray parallel to the principal axis after reflection will pass through the principal focus in case of a concave mirror, or appear to diverge from the principal focus in case of a convex mirror. Second, a ray passing through the principal focus. A ray passing through the principal focus of a concave mirror, or a ray which is directed towards the principal focus of a convex mirror after reflection will emerge parallel to the principal axis. Here you can observe the incident ray and the reflected ray are divided equally. Third ray, a ray passing through the center of curvature of a concave mirror or directed in the direction of the center of curvature of a convex mirror. This ray, after reflection, is reflected back along the same path. In convex mirror, the light rays come back along the same path because the incident rays fall on the mirror along the normal to the reflecting surface. Fourth ray, a ray incident obliquely to the principal axis towards a point P, that is pole of the mirror, on the concave mirror or a convex mirror, which is reflected obliquely. The incident and reflected rays follow the laws of reflection at the point of incidence, that is on point P, making equal angles with the principal axis. Hope you all understood.